I am Pantea Karimi, an artist and educator based in the San Francisco Bay Area in Northern California. This video introduces an activity called Abstract Persian Architecture. Inspired by painting Iskandar, marries Roshanak and the process of economy, you can create a simplified or abstracted version of this painting. Economy is a process that helps the artist to simplify a subject by keeping essential details and emphasizing the important elements. Here is an example that I created based on the original painting. To start this activity, let's examine the basic shapes that are used in the original painting. There are 4 rectangles. Rectangle number 1 is representing the pavilion. Rectangle number 2 is representing the archway under the balcony. Rectangles 3 and 4 are those that hold the water pools. There is this organic shape in the background that represents the garden area. I kept the dome and the border of the painting exactly the same in my drawing. Among all figures, I only kept the happy couple and in the same location in the pavilion. I used the process of economy to simplify the figures. To finish my artwork, I decided to keep the cypress trees and an important element from the Persian wedding items, the sugar cones. Finally, I used watercolor to paint my artwork. In the artwork that you create inspired by this painting, draw various elements using geometric shapes. Then add your favorite items from the original scene, but make sure you simplify those items' forms. Use your favorite colors or simplified patterns to decorate your artwork.